Face diet V-line. Get rid of double chin. Lift the chin up. Divide the area to massage from the jaw ridge to the collarbone into 3 parts. Turn head to the right. Start from the skin. Part 1. From under the left ear to the right ear. Use your thumb and index finger from both hands to pull the skin up, in order to touch the deep skin. With one hand grasping the top, and hand grips the bottom. Pull one by one until the middle of the neck. Repeat 3 times. Part 2. Start from the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Massage with the same way as step 2. Repeat 3 times. Part 3. Massage with the same way as step 2. Repeat 3 times. Take the same of 3 parts on the other side. Use hand sweep from under the chin up to the ear. Repeat 5 times. Use both hands to fondle from behind the ear along the lines drawn by the neck to the collarbone. Repeat 5 times.